Standard 9, Chapter 2 Is Matter Around Us Pure? Part 1.
Matter. Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. It may be solid, liquid, or gas. Types of matter. It is of two types, pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance. It may be defined as material which contains only one kind of atom or molecule. Pure substance are again of two types, element and compound. Elements. Pure substance which are made up of only one kind of atom are known as element. They cannot be split up into two or more simpler substances by any of the usual chemical method. For example, iron, gold, silver, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and sodium, etc. Elements are further grouped into the following three categories. Metals, for example, iron, copper, gold, sodium, silver, mercury, etc. Non-metal, for example, carbon, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. Metalloids, boron, silicon, germanium, etc. Now we can see the flow chart. Elements, it is a pure substance which cannot be split into two or more simpler substances. Elements are of three main types, metal, metalloids, non-metal. Metal, they are malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat, example copper, gold, iron. Metalloids, they show some properties of metals and some of non-metal, example silicon, boron, arsenic. Non-metals, non-malleable, non-ductile, bad conductor of heat, example sulfur and oxygen. Properties of metals. Properties of metals, they are lustrous, that is shining, they conduct heat and electricity. All metals are malleable and ductile, that is sheets and wire can be drawn. They are sonorous, that is can produce ringing sound. All metals are hard except sodium and potassium. All metals are solid at room temperature except mercury, which is a liquid. Properties of non-metal. They are dull in appearance. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity except diamond, which is a good conductor of heat, and graphite, which is a good conductor of electricity. They are neither malleable nor ductile. They are generally soft except diamond, which is the hardest natural substance known. They may be solid, liquid or gaseous at room temperature. Metalloids, the elements that have property intermediate between those of metal and non-metal are called metalloids. Pure substance, the second one. It may be defined as a material which contains only one kind of atom or molecule. It is also named as mixture. Mixtures. A mixture is a material which contains two or more different kinds of particles, atoms or molecules, which do not react chemically but are physically mixed together in any proportion. There are two types of mixture. It is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now, homogeneous mixture. All the components of the mixture are uniformly mixed. No separation boundary are visible. It consists of a single phase. Examples, sugar dissolved in water. Heterogeneous mixture. All the components of mixture are not thoroughly mixed. Separation boundaries are visible. It consists of two or more phases. Example, air, sand and common salt. See the flowchart of matter. Matter are of two types, pure substance, impure substance. Pure substance we call it as element and compound. Impure substance as mixture. Now elements that cannot be broken into simpler substance. Example, copper, oxygen, hydrogen. Compound have fixed composition, can be broken into elements by chemical or electrochemical reaction. Example, water, sugar, salt. Impure substance, that is mixture, are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous means uniform composition, heterogeneous means non-uniform composition. Homogeneous example, sugar plus water, water plus alcohol. Heterogeneous example, sand plus water, water plus oil. Now solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, lemon, water, sugar solution, soda water, etc. Components of solution. First one, solvent. The component of solution that dissolves the other component in it and is usually present in larger amount. Such component of solution is called as solvent. For example, water, alcohol, etc. Second one, solute. The component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent and is usually present in lesser quantity. Such component is called the solute. For example, salt, sugar, iodine, etc. Properties of solution. It is a homogeneous mixture. Particle size in a solution is less than 1 nanometer in diameter. Particles of a solution cannot be seen even with a microscope. A true solution does not scatter the light. Solution is stable. The solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Now types of solution. Various types of solutions are solid in solid solution, we call it as alloy. Solid in liquid solution, example sugar solution, salt solution. Solid in liquid solution, that is lemon water, vinegar, acetic acid in water. Gas in a gas solution is air. Gas in a liquid solution is soda water. Solubility. The maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of a solvent at a particular temperature is known as its solubility in that particular solvent. Now conditions that are affecting the solubility. First one is temperature. Solubility of solid in liquid increases with increase in temperature, whereas the solubility of gases in liquid decreases on increasing the temperature. Second one is pressure. Solubility of gases in liquid increases on increasing the pressure, whereas the solubility of solid in liquid remains unaffected by the change in pressure. Now concentration of a solution. It is defined as the mass of the solute in gram percent in 100 gram of the solution. Mathematical expression for concentration of solution. Concentration of solution equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. In case of liquid solute in a liquid solvent, concentration can be expressed as concentration of solution equals to volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Mass by mass percentage of solution is given by mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Mass by volume percentage of solution is equals to mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Now saturated solution. A solution in which no more quantities of solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature is called saturated solution. Unsaturated solution. A solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved without raising its temperature is called unsaturated solution. Characteristic. The properties of a compound differ from those of its constituent. Compound has fixed melting point and boiling point. Compound is a homogeneous substance. Constituent elements can be separated by chemical process. Constituent elements can be separated by chemical process.